The Lagos State Government has held a 2-day training for heads of audit units in the Unified Local Government Service. Permanent Secretary, Office of Local Government Establishment and Training, Bibilomo Olusekun, says the capacity building is to refreshing their skills on job specification. Moving the Lagos State workforce forward, Office of Local Government Establishment and Training gather officers who are heads of audit units to improve their knowledge on job specification. Speaking at the opening of the 2-day training, Permanent Secretary, Office of Local Government Establishment and Training, Bibilomo Olusekun, states that this is in line with the theme's agenda of Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu at achieving a better workforce.
Here for a training program for heads of audit units in the Unified Local Government System. The aim of the training is to sharpen the skills of the auditors, to deepen their knowledge of what they do, for a positive change in attitude for improved productivity.
The participants commend the initiative.
My expectation at the end of the program and the workshop is to increase more on my professional skill, to gain new ideas, and to improve on my job specification, and of course to help me on my actual process programs that I normally perform in the office, and of course to enhance relationship among my colleagues.
After this training, there will be a value added to my wealth of experience, and I believe it's going to impact the performance of my job in the office. I'm the head of the unit, internal audit in my organization, and I have a lot of staffs who are professionals and non-professionals to also put them through, let them know the main way, especially in the auditing aspect of our job.
The intention is that they would embrace fully the training program, learn some lessons, sharpen their skills, and go back not only to spread the knowledge to the people around them in their various units, but to improve their productivity, to do better at their job, improved service to them.
Tagged Enhancing and Protecting Organizational Value, the 2-day training has 57 participants across the local government and local council development areas in the state. Maugbe Josu, LTV News.